G'day, it's Austin. I've made over $13.5 million with ecom. Don't worry, it's 13.2, I know, but I'll show you this one as well. There you go, there's the extra little bit there. I've made over 100,000 orders. It's a medal trophy from Shopify. It's real, and you can see that up here, I've had over 100,000 orders. Let me hit refresh so you believe me. And in this beautiful YouTube video, I'm gonna tell you why, well, that's last 90 days, sorry. Let me change that back to 2022 so you don't think I'm telling lies to you all. There you go, 13.3, over 100,000 orders. And in this video, this beautiful video, I'm gonna say why you shouldn't start a dropshipping store and what you should do instead, because I've made a lot of money with ecom, and I don't say that to flex, I say that so I can show you what's possible. I can just point you in the right direction, at least help you out on your own journey with ecom, because I've made some mistakes, don't worry, I've made a few. So I showed you the trophy, here's my video plan. Next one, I'm gonna explain the mistakes that I made, bad products and stores. I have launched a fair few stores and products in my journey with ecom. I believe it's 13 products to be exact across multiple stores. And all of those before I found one that had any real scaling potential and was worth continuing with eventually, that was able to get me these kind of numbers and sticking with it. So one of those was the Trend Space, a general store. I got obsessed with the idea of general stores and mass product testing, and I found that it wasn't the best way to go. I then launched Apollo Apparel. This was actually my first store. I did that before Trendspace, where I sold a bracelet that I'd pay 30 cents for, I believe, and would sell it for $6, but I would sell it for free and then charge for shipping. Classic ecom strategy back in the day, a little free plus shipping offer. Clear audio, USB microphone. That one actually got some sales, but it stopped working after a while. Cloud Comfort was one of the ones I built when I started learning what to do. I was like, I've figured this out. All right, I've got this. I've got it in the bag. I launched that, it started working. Great. But then obviously I got a brand like this that has done the big numbers and given me the most financial freedom. And to show you that I'm not just a one-hit wonder, because a lot of the people in the ecom space, not to name names, they have one successful store and they think they know what they're on about, which they probably do. But the people that have multiple successful stores, I think those are the people you should listen to. And I'm not trying to sell you anything here anyway. There's a free pitch at the end. It's literally free. It's a video on my YouTube channel. So don't worry, I'm not guiding this into a pitch. But here, there's a store, last 90 days. Let me hit refresh so you believe me. Set it to last 90, hit apply. There we go, 332K US. Now profit. That's what matters. I set this was in US dollars. I set this to Aussie dollars for Triple Whale to show you last 90 days, 362K net. Hit refresh so you believe me again. Just showing you some proof that the proof is in the pud, as they say. Proof is in the pud. Hit apply to 29 USD, change it to the beautiful Aussie dollar, has a terrible exchange rate. There we go, 362K. Great. So that is ecom for you. And this is all with building customer first e-commerce brands. A little bit of a different strategy from the classic dropshipping stores that I used to build, the ones that a lot of people talk about online. No. I want to do something a little bit different because the market has changed. It's not the same as what it was in 2015, 2016, when dropshipping was first getting going. Now, I wasn't in the game back then. I built my first ever store, Apollo Apparel, in 2017 or the early parts of 2018 when I was in high school. But I really started with ecom, pushing it properly in 2021. So all that to say, this is the model that's given me the most financial freedom, building customer first e-commerce brands. It is essentially branded dropshipping stores that sell from local suppliers so you can give fast shipping times. So I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna show you how to find the products, a site example, how to fulfill those orders and find a local supplier, and then also the kind of ads that you should be creating. And so let's get into it. Product research tools. How do we find a product that can do this kind of numbers? How do we go about doing that? Well, I'll show you, my good friend. Minea is a great platform to use. You can sign up for a free trial. It basically consolidates a lot of winning ads from Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok into one page, so you can quickly look through and find products that are already selling well. I like to look for products that I call, or that use what I call the slice of the pie method. You're looking for products that are already selling well. They're a big pie and you're just taking a slice of it, because that's all you need to achieve financial freedom. You don't need to invent the next Udi. You don't need to go crazy and create something completely new and risk your life savings in the process. You just need to find something that's already selling well. Use Minea or go on Facebook Ad Library. It's a free tool from Facebook where you can look for existing ads that are being run on Facebook. So actually, you can see my ads in here where I'm selling a free course. I'm going to go up here, we're going to type in Afterpay available, because if that isn't an ad, chances are it's an e-commerce store. So let's look for some products that we could potentially sell. What do we find? We've got these ones here. So I've actually found these ones before. Let's have a look. Got these tap filters. Great. Make the water better. Remove some contaminants. There you go. What does that say? What does it say? More affordable than bottled water. No plastic waste. Love that. Join all these customers. Taste the difference. Makes tap water taste like mineral water. I like that. That's a really good angle right there. Great. Well, we potentially found a product that we could sell. And that was step one here. We need to find a product that we could potentially sell. It is restricting me because I'm currently in Dubai and it doesn't like that. But we would look on their store and let's hit refresh and then stop it right before it goes anymore. There we go. So we can look at their products. Okay, well, we've got a shower filter here. We've got purifying jugs. We've got these different products that could be sold. Now, this is step one, is finding a product that is already doing well using either Facebook ad library, Minea, or any other research tool, really. It doesn't actually matter. Then you want to build a branded and trustworthy Shopify store around one of those products. Now, this is a brand that I built called Pure Water. I used this exact same process and I documented it in this free YouTube video here of actually building Pure Water step by step, launching it, getting sales and being profitable from day one onwards, all in here to actually show you how to do it and find it. And I'll show you how to find those products and build the store. So building a store, it's all about being branded and trustworthy. It's about using content that's already available online so you can just get started. You shouldn't have to sink loads of money into creating content yourself when you're first starting because we don't even know if we can sell the product yet. We don't know if we can be profitable with advertising. So we want to just find stuff that's already available and then build it in a branded way so it looks really clean and simple. Even on mobile, it should look pretty good. Look at that. Looks nice and clean. Got the benefits icons, bundles here. Very simple product description. And this works. And I actually validated it and proved it in this video, step by step. So we need to create a branded and trustworthy Shopify store. How do I do that? Watch the video. It'll show you how to do it. And I actually, if you look in the product description, just give you templates for it all. It's all in here. Why am I doing this? Well, because I wish videos like this were around when I was first starting out. I would have been a lot further ahead than I am now. I strongly believe that if I had access to this kind of information when I was first starting. Maybe I did, I just couldn't find it, but that's why I'm presenting it to you. So it's all in here, and you can see even branding templates are in here, Canva templates there, so you can make your logos, make your branding, a bunch of templates in there using free Canva text. You can download my Shopify theme as well. It's in here just by clicking this link. So all of that's in there. You can build a branded and trustworthy store that you can put your product on that you found, doing your research. You then need fulfillment. You need a local supplier that can sell these items. And so just go on eBay Australia if you're selling to Aussies, or if you're in the US, go on eBay US. You're in the UK, go on eBay UK. Look for products that are available in local warehouses that you could sell. And so if we just search mineral shower head on here, we get loads of options. If we click on one of them, we've got this one here. We can see $25 for the item. Great. They've got reasonably fast shipping. Look for ones that have really quick shipping. And you can see shipped from New South Wales. Great. So we can say it's shipped from Australia to Aussies. It's a very good angle to add in our marketing. And so we've got a supplier here now that we could sell the product from. We would mark up the price by 2.5 to 3x. And because we have a branded and trustworthy store and we use great ads on social media, which I'll show you how to create in a sec, that's why people are going to buy from us and not just go and price shop across eBay, across Amazon, across anywhere else. People will always buy from branded and trustworthy stores. Then we need the ads. How do we make ads? Well, I'll show you in the video, but if I just skip right to it, you basically find content that's already available online for the products that you're going to sell. You look on different sources, different websites, you find an image of the product, drag it into Google Images, and it will find other images for you to use and content that's available online. You're then going to put it all together using a free editing tool like Clipchamp, or use CapCut if you want to, whatever it is. Very simple, and I guide you through how to do that in that video here. So you're going to make some ads and you're going to use those, and that's how you're going to start getting sales. I actually show you in that video how to run ads too, so you can go and check it out. And that's it. That is it. Don't start a trashy dropshipping store. Do something that's a bit more branded, more trustworthy, sell a problem-solving product that is already proven to sell online. And that is the magical formula to be able to make a lot of money with e-commerce. And then just stick with it. Just keep going. Maybe your first product doesn't work. My first 13 products didn't work. But my hope is that by making this video, you can get to the good part a little bit sooner. And that's what you should be able to do. Because I've taught this to a lot of people and they're able to find winning products in their second or third product instead of 13 attempts like it took me, because I didn't know what I was doing back then. But I figured it out, so you don't have to. And so my call to action is to go and watch the full course video on the channel. It's free. It's on this channel. You can go and watch it if you want. It'll guide you through everything step by step. And it is literally 6.5 hours long. There is no stone left unturned in here, and we'll show you everything that you need to do, not just to launch, but also fulfill the orders, customer service, all the stuff that a lot of people forget about. So go and check that out. And all the templates are included for free. It's all in there, like I showed you. It's the second link in the description here. You can click on that. And while you're there, use the affiliate links that I give you. Pretty please, it'd be nice. Get paid for my time. And then go and check out all this stuff in here, all the templates, everything you need. I've made it all for you, so you can just copy and paste. And that is everything. Don't start a dropshipping store. Do some branded dropshipping and build a customer first brand instead. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.